down your face. Your chest ain't got to hurt no more. Your knee ain't gonna hurt no more, because all that stuff done passed away. And I am here with you. I'm gonna heal you from what ails you. All of it's gonna pass away, and behold, a new thing will take place, because God will be there with you. He'll be there with you in the midst of it all. You ain't got to worry about eating no more. You ain't got to worry about where you're going to sleep no more. You ain't got to worry about what you're going to drive, because all that stuff going to pass away, and there'll be no more sleep. You ain't got to worry about how far you got to walk, because where you going to be, you're going to love to walk around all day long, because the former things shall pass away, and behold,